Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Friends, I'm Mir Muhammad Wasik on your channel, Mir's Electro World. Today, the topic on which we are here, right, to spend a few moments of our time is theories of the creation of the universe. So, a couple of theories are there. Uh, every theory is trying to explain uh, with the help of, you can say, like science of their time, right? But the accepted one and the state of the art one is the Big Bang theory, right? So let's start from the beginning. We have many theories of Big Bang. You can say like Big Bang is actually a phenomena, right? Now, how the phenomena happened, a couple of theories are there. The first one is the steady state theory. According to the steady state theory, everything is here. There was no beginning, there is no end, right? And this whole system is, you can say, like it's getting bigger, right? It's growing bigger in size and the scale, but the theory suggests that a steady universe is forever identical. It's forever, uh, it's identical in all directions, right? But continually growing in some aspect. So it's one of the Big Bang's oldest, you can say, like rival theories, and it's proposed by a scientist. His name is Sir James Hopwood Jeans in 1928. Right. This is called the steady state universe or the steady state theory. Right. Now, in this model, the galaxies, the planets, and the other forms of the matter are locked in a continual recreation. So it means a universe is filled with the stars that are, you can say, like recreate themselves. So the total density remains the same for that energy or the mass, right? So in this, you can say, like the realm, the theory was proposed by Sir James Hopwood Jeans in 1928, and it was further developed in the late 1940s by Herman Bondi, Fred Hoyle, and Thomas Gold. But fellows, due to the lack of the scientific, you can say, like evidence, theory is abandoned. Now the next model comes is the bouncing cosmological model. So this model basically tells us that the universe is now it's in a bouncing state, and previously it was in you can say like more you can say like a contraction stage in which the universe was just very small, and now it's in the bouncing stage, and it will go back into you can say like a contraction phase. So this theory was first proposed by Juliana Caesar Silva Nails in a paper published in the journal named Journal Relativity and the Gravitation. Anyhow, this theory was also due to the, you can say, like lack of the scientific evidence. Theory is not get very much popularity among the serious cosmologists and physicists. And another theory is there for the creation of the universe, and it's about the name of the theory is plasma or electric universe theory. Now, in the electric universe model, gravity takes a backseat to plasma and electromagnetism. In this theory, plasma takes up an integral role in cosmological events and the fundamental order of the universe, proposing electric currents that are basically forming everything that we see around us in the form of the galaxies and the stars. Like this, the same effect like the plasma effect happening in the filaments of filament if you supply the high voltages, right? Now, this plasma is capable of, according to the theory, plasma is capable of shaping and powering the galaxies, right? These current streams into stars and powering them like fluorescent bulbs, right? And they induced the birth of the planets, according to the theory, right? The electric theory was first proposed by the Nobel laureate physicist Hannes Alfvén in the 1930s, and he argued that if plasma pervaded the universe, it could carry electric current capable of generating a galactic magnetic field. He later won a Nobel Prize for his work in magnetohydrodynamics, right? However, there was not sufficient evidence for the electric universe theory, and it again fails to meet the National Academy of Science definition of the theory. Yes. Now the next is another theory called the black hole theory. Again, according to the black hole, it suggests that we are, the universe started from a black hole, right? And universe popped out of a black hole from another universe. So it means there is a chance of a parent universe, and from that parent universe, our universe just evolved. So we have a parent universe. We have another universe. So it looks like a multiverse type of a thing. This black hole theory suggests, right? And the origin of the universe. The theory is the black hole theory, the black hole and the origin of the universe theory, right? The next one is simulation theory. According to the simulation theory, we all are, it looks a bit more difficult to understand the immensity of the theory. But anyhow, the theory suggests that we are living in a colossal simulation. So it means some sort of aliens or some higher beings designed us or programmed us. But due to the lack of the, again, scientific evidence and even the information that need to be processed if somebody make us like some aliens, if some aliens are designing everything that we see around us, like including human beings and this whole universe, although it's more looks like photonic, right? Photons of different frequencies are coming into our eyes and making everything that we see around us. But anyhow, for this theory to be successful, this simulation hypothesis theory, right? We need, you can say, like very powerful processors and memory, immense memory. Even we need might be more memory than the subatomic particles that exist in whole of the universe. We need more than that. You can say like atoms to store the information. So it looks like a bit more hard to get the scientific evidence of this theory. Anyhow, the accepted theory is the Big Bang theory, and according to the accepted and you can say like state of the art, right, the latest one, according to the scientific, you can say like experiments and hypothesis, the theory is called the Big Bang theory. And according to the Big Bang theory, about 13.7 billion years in the back, with a you can say like a big explosion, right, from nothingness. They call it singularity, means there was no space, no time, no matter, and nothingness was there. And from that nothingness, what happened? Still, theory is you can say like theory tells us the evolution of the universe after the bang, but it don't tell anything about what happened, what was there that created this bang anyhow. So this is the evolution of the universe theory basically after that point from where that Big Bang happened, 13.7 billion years in the back, right? And onward, the theory tells us how the formation of the stars and galaxies and everything is happening and how the things are expanding now. This whole of the universe is expanding on very high speeds, higher than the speed of lights, right? So it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and the space between the galaxies and the stars, basically, it's growing. It's growing. So, anyhow, if you rewind everything, right, and in 1927, Edwin Hubble, from his telescope, right, he always gave us the the evidence of the Big Bang theory, and he suggests that the next galaxy to us is moving away from us on higher speeds uh, with the passage of time. So if you rewind everything, it will go onto a small little dense point of infinite, you can say like mass energy, and that little infinite point was there. And according to the Big Bang theory, it exploded, and it is converted. There was the energy, right, and the heat was immense. Heat was there, right, and it exploded. And from that explosion, everything, time, space, matter that we see around us in the form of stars, our this planet, you and me, we are from you can say like part of the universe, right? So everything is you can say like popped out of that event happened about 13.7 billions in the back. So now, with the passage of time, stars and these galaxies built under the gravity, right? And we see these stars and the galaxies around us, and the space is also there. We have the time now, and according to Einstein special theory of relativity, space and time is now you can say like time is the fourth dimension, right? So anyhow, that was definitely, fellows. I was trying to tell you today about the how the our this creation happened, everything that we see around us happened, and what are the theories, right, for for the Big Bang, right? So hope so you like my this video on the creation of space, matter, time, and everything that we see around us. And if you like it, click on the thumbs up button, fellows. Share my videos with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.